Hello, so very good evening, and today we are going to talk about the top 18 benefits of visiting a chiropractor. It will be a short presentation for you to understand and how we can get better faster with time and we can also save money. So let's talk about those advantages. So let's go on to the next part where we talk about how chiropractors do it, or let's give you an overview. Chiropractic care has been revolutionizing how it helps humans to function at the fullest and offer them a pain free life. Chiropractic science is the most efficient way to manage injuries, musculoskeletal issues, and maintain good health. So let's understand here it's a non invasive procedure where specific techniques are applied to understand your posture, your region of pain, and what's happening, and to give you an instant relief. So let's talk about the advantages and overview. So as we go through it, what happens? What are the basic major issues which many of us face nowadays? With the growing work from home culture, the first thing we get is back pain, then the neck pain because we are more working towards on our screens and other things, and that's why it's spoiling our posture. Then there, chiropractic also takes care of relieving your headaches and migraines, scoliosis, which is like a compounded effect of bad posture where your body isn't balanced out the way it should be. It helps you improve your athletic performance, potentially reduces osteoarthritis. So, yes, this actually takes care that your bones don't become brittle or the damage is reduced. Then, as it's a fast pain relieving thing, it eliminates your need to take pain relievers and drugs. So, let's understand it one by one now. So, when you go for these things like reducing your back pain and reducing your neck pain and other things here, so how it works for you, then let's go on to the next section of whatever the advantages are. It controls your asthma, it reduces your blood pressure, it improves your digestion, it gives you a better sleep, helps you increase your immunity, increases the range of motion, and reduces your inflammation. Plus, it's a good treatment for whiplash, it helps you with ear infections, and it is highly cost effective, and yes, it works for all your age group. So let's talk about it. Let's go to the first point, and that's about reducing your back pain. So how does it do that? So in America alone, there are around 70 million adults who deal with chronic back pain, and lower back pain is one of the biggest problems which is faced there. Now, chiropractic treatment reduces this problem. So let's talk about the primary advantages about reducing back pain. So as discussed earlier, that Americans or everyone as such suffers from a lot of back pain issues, and the best way to relieve it is chiropractic treatment. So there is a special treatment called the spinal manipulation. It's a technology or a technique used by chiropractors to relieve you from your back pain, and that's about relieving the tension in the lower back joints, which ultimately reduces all the problems. Then reduce neck pains. Wrong postures, work from home timing, long working hours has given rise to this new pandemic of neck pain. Then this through realigning the entire cervical uh, spine helps in this. Then what are the primary advantages? It's one of the biggest things is reduces the symptoms of scoliosis. Now what is scoliosis? Let's understand that first. Scoliosis, so first let's understand what is Cobb angle. Cobb angle is a measure to check the side to side deformity of a spine. So, chiropractic treatment plays a huge role in improving the Cobb angle in people who are suffering from scoliosis. And scoliosis happens because of prolonged long postures or not keeping your body in a particular balance. So, your spine structure changes a little bit. So, you need regular weekly sessions to come out of this problem. Then, reducing inflammation. So, chiropractic care has also anti inflammatory benefits. Yes, so you heard it right. It's all about anti inflammatory benefits which are there. And how it happens is that there is something known as a TNF, tumor necrosis factor, which plays a very big role here. So, whenever these techniques are used on patients to handle this problem properly, and chiropractors do that. So, what they do is that the main component TNF factor or tumor necrosis factor alpha is reduced during this treatment. So let's come back to our earlier part, and I will quickly get you through this presentation of how it works and how the other things which are working. So how does it ease your headache? Yes, something that's how you can always question that if something is happening on your spine, how it's taking care of your headache. So it has relaxing effects, and as soon as spinal manipulations are done, it releases a lot of stress and tensions. So that's how it reduces your pain or headaches as such and migraine. You need somewhere around 6 to 8 sessions to do this. Then improving athletic performance. So whenever you face injuries or you have got some kind of restrictions or got some problems on your musculoskeletal part of your body, rehabilitation is a big responsibility of a chiropractor, and this helps with proper techniques. This helps in reducing the problems there. Potentially reduces osteoarthritis. So let's understand the major part of osteoarthritis. The major part of osteoarthritis is degeneration of your cartilages. Cartilage is something that are between your two joints. Continuous usage over years is going to damage your cartilage, and the rubbing of bones just is going to damage us further. So although osteoarthritis cannot be reduced permanently, or but at least the progression can be slowed down. How does it eliminate the need of painkillers? When you have got bone pain, spinal issues, and these things, you naturally have a lot of pain. And to reduce the pain, doctors usually prescribe you painkillers. Now, when chiropractic, which works in a very good way of giving you instant relief, that reduces your requirement for having painkillers, and that in turn saves you from a lot of side effects from your body. Then controlled asthma. Really, how does this work in asthma as such? So let's understand one thing. As we always discussed is that chiropractic adjustments are more of spinal manipulations. And what happens is during these spinal manipulations, they create a disruption in the nerve impulse that are crucial in optimal lung functioning and realigning your vertebrae. So people who are visiting chiropractors have shown an improvement and better control over asthma, reducing blood pressure. Chiropractic adjustments target certain nerves of the body. One such area is the upper neck, which is when targeted helps in reducing the blood pressure, and other results which help you in taking but give you better results than those only blood pressure medications. Improves digestion. There are numerous nerves that run through your spine, and these nerves play a really good role or a big important role in controlling the stomach functions of your body. So let's understand this here. So whenever your body is working on these things of your stomach and other things, when your nerves are not in proper position, this leads to reflux, heartburn, acid reflux. And chirocare ensures that proper alignment of nerves improves your digestion. Then to bring you to the last point, the earlier point again is about a better sleep. So they have chiropractic treatment gives you actually relaxing results, and when you are relaxed, you are at ease from your pain. Naturally, you have got better rest and sleep cycles. How about immunity? Again, our nervous system plays a big role in regulating the immune cells of our body. So a slightest misarrangement in our nerves can hamper the bodily function and create impact on immunity. So when a chiropractor aligns your spinal nerves, the immunity is maintained at an optimal level. We did discuss about increasing the range of motion, but I will tell you again. So chiropractic increases your mobility and your flexibility. Hence, you can do your household chores, routine chores in a better and effective way, or can reduce the normal functionality of the body. Reduces inflammation. Yes, the TNF factor is controlled due to chiropractic, and this reduces the inflammation. Ideal for patients with whiplash. A whiplash patient can greatly benefit from chiropractic treatment. The chiropractor will try to align the scar tissue down due to which the pain is associated with whiplash, and this will reduce. Also recommends stretching for whiplash patients. Ear infections. We usually treat ear infections only with antibiotics, but this is not true. So, when keeping your spine free of subluxations, using chiropractic treatment can help eliminate ear infections as well. Cost effective, yes. Chiropractic is way cheaper if you look at surgeries, continuous antibiotics, or other things which you have to go through, or invasive procedures. So yes, it's a preventive methodology for all these procedures, and this helps you in a cost-effective treatment. Works for all age groups. Yes, whatever your age is, your middle age, you are young, you are really senior citizen. It is safe for all of you, and it can support a really healthy lifestyle. Thank you.